Hi everyone, today we have a problem when we are given a string that represents the DNA sequence. So for example, this string here, and what we need to do is we need to return all the 10-letter long sequences, substrings that occur in the DNA molecule more than once. So what's that mean? So for example, let's take this one, right? This one, this substring here, starting from AAA and the CCC, it occurs twice in here. That's the one and that's the another one, right? So that's why we are returning in the output. Another one is that, for example, this one, right? CCC and the AAA, this is the first case and this is another case. When it occurs twice, more than once at least, so in that case we are returning those. And this should be, substring should be 10 letter long. So how we are going to solve this problem? The solution is pretty straightforward. So what we do is we are using a hash set for it. So we're using a hash set. In the hash set, we are creating two hash sets. The one is that let's call it scene, and another one is the duplicate. So what we do, we are going over our string, and we are using sliding window. So first we are taking the window of the letters with the size of 10, and then we are, let me actually change the color here. So what we do is, let's say that in this array right here, so we are taking the first these 10 letters. So in the sliding window, what we do is we are including the next letter. In the next step, we are including the next letter and including the rightmost and excluding the leftmost. And then so we are going over our array and checking every string. So what we do at every step, we are taking the substring starting from I to the I plus 10. So it's basically sliding window, right? And so what we do is we are checking in the scene. If we have already seen that, which means that if we have already added to our first hash set, which means that we have already seen that substring earlier. So in that case, we are adding that to our duplicates, and then at the end we are returning result.